ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
What's up everyone, this is Jonas Blue. I'm heading to India for the Cherry Blossom Festival in Shillong on the 19th of November 2023. And I can't wait to see you all there. Peace.
Baby, we don't need no reason why. Let's go! Come on, come on, come over. Try to go.
Ka Sankardev College Shillong haringkat ka jingetre lang bat ketanat lariti jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Ha ka khandro tudik unai wing anaja arpulai. Kum shibinta jong ka jing rakhe ya ka Jan Jatiya Gaurav Divas bat ka Tribal Pride Week kala Pynlong ya ka jingpin I ya ka jing Shad Tynrai ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong balai shimbinta daki kin hun ba pher ki basang basa ha kani ka jilla ka jing thumu bakong san ba Pynlong ya kani ka Shad Tynrai kalong na ka binta ban Pynneh Pynsah ya ka Riti Dustur jong ka jilla Meghalaya barok away kikin hun Shad Tynrai ki belawan banya shimbinta ha kani ka Limpong kidan hadu arpu sautuli kikin hun Hagani gasngi lasa kilang do Menteri Kesenian Arts and Culture uba polling do ubla long kumukong san ringkat ke jingdan lang jong ke principal ke Sankardev College Shillong ke Dr. Yurika FP Lingdo bat kiwe.
To say that just 3 months ago, Prime Minister Modi had visited Meghalaya's store at Delhi to see our textiles products. It just shows that with persistence, with hard work, with tenacity, the sky is the limit. And the fact that we agreed to undertake this project is to encourage not just a display of our dances, but to also be able to document them so that we are in a position to keep these various forms of dances alive and to ensure that the hills continue to grow with the changing times. I must congratulate Sankardev College for having taken the initiative and bringing together all these dancers and troupes from various parts, including remote parts of Meghalaya. And it just shows that wherever there is tenacity and integrity of purpose, there is nothing that cannot be achieved. Let us not forget, while celebrating our pride as tribals, as children of the soil, as the indigenous people, let us also take pride in one fact. And that fact is that although modern education came very late to us, 1841, and we had to compete with communities that had the Indus Valley civilization in 5000 BC. We have not fared so badly. If you take into account the fact that we had somebody like Reverend J.J. Kolshor as part of the Constituent Assembly of India, that we had Mr. P.A. Sama as Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Professor G.G. Swell as Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Mr. J.M. Lingdo as CEC of the country, Kong Rose Bilian Bathau as Chairperson UPSC, Prang Roy, an international figure with his association in Rome. It shows that our relative lack of exposure to the many facilities of modern civilization, yet we have continued to not only survive but also to thrive. Let that spirit be reignited in us, and let us take pride in the fact that although to some people the term tribal might sound derogatory, yet the fact is that we have survived through a very difficult process of migrating, reaching to these hills, the challenges of topography, the challenges of communication. We have withstood all these challenges. My appeal to all of you here this afternoon is, let us keep that spirit which the dance we have just witnessed itself speaks eloquently about, the spirit of a fighter, the spirit of never say die. With that spirit, it is not just the Department of Arts and Culture that will push forward the agenda of preserving and promoting the arts and the culture of the people, but this has to be the collective effort of each one of us. Before resuming my seat, once again, congratulations, Sankardev College. I thank all the participating troops for having made it to today's platform where various cultures are meeting. And let us not forget the fact that a tribe cannot survive if we use the words in Khasi. There are 3 Ks. Kakndau, Kaktir, Kakur, which form the basic framework of our tribal identity. Kakndau, Kaktir, Kakur. In English, that's put into 3 L's: language, lineage, and land. With these, if these 3 cornerstones of our identity are preserved and strengthened, we can only grow stronger in a modern world with all its challenges, and we continue to be proud of our heritage and our roots, even in the age of millennials.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ